Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and done your work properly. Today we take a quick revision of our problem question. Let's start. Our first question is 5 trucks are laden with 23,965 boxes of apples in each. Then how many boxes of apples are they carrying all together? It means what we have to find. 5 trucks. How many trucks? 5 trucks are laden with boxes of apples. How many boxes? 23,965 of apples in each. It means one truck में कितने boxes हैं apples के? 23,965 each. और trucks कितने हैं? 5 trucks. Then what we have to find? How many boxes of apple are carrying all together? अगर हमें 1 ट्रक में 23,965 हैं तो all together अगर इन्हें मिक्स कर दिए जाएं तो कितने होंगे एप्पल्स के बॉक्सेस? ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर स्टेटमेंट. नंबर ऑफ ट्रक्स laden with apples. That is 5. Then number of boxes of apples in each truck. बच्चे यहाँ पर 1 ट्रक में बताया गया है बिकॉज इन लास्ट यहाँ पर ईच लिखा हुआ है. इन ईच इट मीन्स 1 ट्रक में कितने बॉक्सेस है एप्पल्स के? 23,965. ओके, अब कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमें इसमें किस क्वेश्चन में कौन सा मेथड अप्लाई करना है? हाउ मेनी बॉक्सेस ऑफ एप्पल्स आर देयर कैरिंग ऑल टुगेदर. बच्चे 1 एप्पल के जो बॉक्सेस हैं 1 ट्रक में इतने हैं. देन हमें ऑल टुगेदर इट मीन्स हमें 5 बॉक्सेस के फाउंड आउट कर रहे हैं. तो देन नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स boxes carrying all together. Then we multiply a number of box is multiplied by the number of trucks, that is 5. 23,965 are the boxes and 5 trucks are laden with that apples of box. Let's start our multiplication. 23,965 is multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 we put here and 2 is our carry. Then again next 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 32. 3 is our carry and 2 we put here. Then 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 3 48. 4 is our carry and we put 8 here. Then 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4, that 4 is our carry, that is 19 and 1 is our carry. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. We put 11 here. So we write the number of boxes, number of apple boxes if carrying together are 1,19,825. So our answer is 1,19,825 apples boxes if we carrying all together. So our next question is James bought 58 packets of t-shirt for his own shop. Then each packet contained 4 t-shirts. about how many t-shirts did Jams buy in all? In that question, the Jams bought 58 packets of t-shirt. It means the packets are bought, that is 58 packet. But one packet contained, it means each packet contained 4 t-shirts. It means बच्चे 58 पैकेट्स बोट किए गए हैं और 1 पैकेट में 4 टी-शर्ट्स हैं. Then what we have to find about how many टी-शर्ट्स डिड जैम बॉय इन ऑल. ये तो हमें पता है 58 पैकेट्स हैं और ईच पैकेट में 4 टी-शर्ट्स हैं. देन हाउ मैनी ऑल कैरिंग ऑल द टी-शर्ट्स वर बाय इन ऑल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्टली वी राइट द statement of that problem questions. Number of t-shirt packets bought by Jams, that is 58 packets. Then each packet contain t-shirts. Then how many contain each packet t-shirt? That is 4. So 4 t-shirts. Then what we have to find number of t-shirts by in all. It means 58 packets are bought and each packet contains 4 t-shirts and we have to find the total number of t-shirts. So what we can do, 58 packets is multiplied by the 4. That is the 4 is our number of t-shirts. That each packet contained 4 t-shirts. So let's start our multiplication. 58 is multiplied by 4. 4 8s are 32. 3 is our carry and 2 we put here. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. So the number of t-shirts that buy in all is 232. So we can also say that 200 t-shirts are bought by the Jams. So our next question is, a grain company filled 30 bags with grains. They put 95 kgs of grains in each bag. About how many kg of grains are there in all the bags? In that question, बच्चे, in grain company filled 30 bags. 30 bags are filled by grain company. How many bags? 30 bags. But they put 95 kgs of grains in each bag. बच्चे, एक बैग में कितने grains हैं? 95 kg और bags कितने हैं? 30 kgs. Then हमने क्या find out करना है? About how many kgs are grains are there in all the bags. We have to find that how many kgs of grains are in all these 30 bags. Okay. So let's start our solution. Number of bags, we write the statement that number of bags filled with grains. That how many bags are filled with grains? That is 30 bags. How many bags? 30 bags. Then next they put 95 kgs of grain in each bag. Then we write the statement, each bag contained grains. Then how many grains are filled in one bag? That is 95 kg grains that is filled in each bag means 30 bags हैं and one bag contain 95 kg. Then what we have to find, how many kgs of grain there in all. Grains are there in all. It means we have to find the value of the 30 bags which contained, of each bag contained 30 bags is multiplied by 95 kg. Okay, then let's start is multiply. 30 is multiplied by 95. Then 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15. Then again 9 zeros are 0, 9 threes are 27. So next 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 1 plus 7, 8 and 2 here. So our answer is 2850 kilograms are grains contained in 30 बैग. बच्चे हमें यहाँ पे 1 बैग की वैल्यू दे रखी थी कि 1 बैग कंटेन 95 kg and then we have to find out the how many grains are filled in 30 bags. So 2850 kg we have to write here. 2850 kg of grains filled in 30 bags. Okay, so our next question is 56 students of a class collected rupee 236 each from the Prime Minister Relief Fund. Then what we have to find, how much money did they collect. But in that question there are 55 students. Okay, number of students are 56 and of a class collected rupee 236 each from the Prime Minister. 56 student हैं और each students ने 236 रुपये कलेक्ट किए हैं from Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Then how much money did they collect? Then in collectively, then how much money they collect? Okay, let's start our statement. Number of students, collect that is 56. Okay, collection of money from Prime Minister's Relief Fund, that is rupee 236. देखिए number of students collected rupees, that is 56 students that collected rupees. Then collection of money from Prime Minister Relief Fund, that is each student collected rupees 236. Then what we have to find, how much money did they collect. So collected money 236 is multiplied by the 56 because each student collect rupees 236 and number of students are 56. So let's start our multiplication. 236 is multiplied by 56. 6 6 are 36. 6 we put here and 3 is our carry. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 21. We put here 1 and 2 is our carry. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. Then another 5 6 are 30. We put 0 here and 3 is our carry. Then 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. We put here 8 and 1 is our carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So our next step is to add 6, 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 8, 12. 2 here and 1 is our carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 and 1. So rupee 13,216 is collected by the 56 students from Prime Minister Relief Fund. So we write here rupee 13,216 collected by 56 students from Prime Minister Relief Fund. So rupee 13,216. I hope you understand all these statement questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.